Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Mr. G's Learn Math. I hope you guys will enjoy this educational video. Are you guys ready? Let's go. In this lesson, you are going to learn surface area and volume of three-dimensional figures. But before that, let us recall some important ideas which are very useful in this lesson. So, what shape is this? Yeah, that's right. It's a square. And how do you find the area of a square? Let us see. A is equal to square of S. A means area, while S means side. Now, let's say example. The side of square is 6 centimeters. Of course, it is a square, so all of the side measures 6 centimeters. Now, let us substitute S by 6 centimeters. There you go. Now, we double 6 centimeters. That's it. 6 centimeters times 6 centimeters. So what's your answer? Excellent. A is equal to 36 square centimeters. Okay, this one. Note that cm square reads as square centimeters. Take note that when it comes to area, it uses square unit. Always use square unit. Do you understand? Okay, good. Now, guess what shape is this? Wow, very good. It is a rectangle. Do you know how to find the area of a rectangle? Yes? No? Okay? So let us see. The area is equal to L times W. L means length. W means width. Let us do an example. Let us say the length of this rectangle is 8 centimeters and the width is 6 centimeters. Now we substitute L by 8 centimeters and W 6 centimeters. There. So all we have to do is multiply 8 centimeters times 6 centimeters. So what is your answer? Excellent. Is 48 square centimeters. Can you guess what shape is this? Bravo! It's a triangle. Can you tell me how to find the area of a triangle? Yes? No? Let us see then. A is equal to 1/2 BH. B means base H means height. So the area of a triangle is A equals 1/2 base times height. So let us work on this example. Let us say the base is 9 centimeters. The height is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, so substitute B. The base is 9 centimeters. The height is 6 centimeters. There. A is equal to 1/2 times 9 centimeters times 6 centimeters. Now I give you time to calculate this. Okay, so what's your answer? Excellent. It is 27 square centimeters. There. Are you familiar with the name of this shape? Oh, yes. It's a circle. How do you find its area? Let us see. A is equal to pi r square. Or you can say A is equal to pi times the square of its radius. Pi is equal to 22/7 or 3.14. In this lesson, we're going to use 22/7. Is that understood? We will always use 22/7. Now, R means radius. Do you know what is a radius? It is half of a diameter. Do you know what is a diameter? Well, check the your vocabulary. You find the meaning in thigh. Okay, so let us proceed. So let us work on example. Let us say the radius is equal to 7 centimeters. Now substitute the value of pi in the radius. There, A is equal to 22/7 times the square of 7 centimeters. I'll give you time to answer this. The time starts now. Finished? Okay, let's check your answer. The area of this circle is 154 square centimeters. Okay, that's good. You're doing good. You're doing good. Okay. Let us now move to the main lesson. Surface area and volume of three-dimensional figures. Surface area means the outside part of a figure or something. I'll give the word inside, but I'm not sure. Please check on these things. Volume. The amount of space that a substance or object occupies, or that is enclosed within a container. Please check these words. Okay, three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional, or what we call the 3D, no? 3D. What are these three dimensions? Are you familiar with this? Three dimensions? Can you give me one? Okay. So length, width or breadth, and height. Okay. These are the three dimensions. So we're going to work on three-dimensional figures. We have the prisms, pyramids, cylinders, cones, and spheres. Surface area and volume of a prism. Let us understand what is a prism. A prism is a three-dimensional figure which has identical cross-section. Identical means the same cross-section. What is a cross-section? Look at the figure. The shaded part there is what we call the cross-section. Take a look at figure A. The cross-section there is a rectangle. Now, if we are going to cut from the in front through the back, the cut is always a rectangle. It cannot be a square, it cannot be a triangle, it cannot be a circle or any shape. Because if the cut at the back is a triangle or a circle, then it can no longer be a prism. Same thing through with figure B. The cross section there is triangle. Now, if we are going to cut from the in front through the back, the cut is always triangle. Have you understood? Or did you understand? Okay, okay. What are examples of prism? We have triangular prism, cube, rectangular prism, pentagonal prism. How many sides of a cross section of a triangular prism? How many sides of the cross section of a triangle or triangular prism? 3 sides. How about cube? 4 sides. Rectangular prism, 4 sides. Pentagonal prism, 5 sides. Okay, good. Surface area of a prism. The total surface area is the sum of the areas of all the faces of a three-dimensional figure. So this is a triangular prism given with a lens. Okay, so if we are going to draw the net of this triangular prism, this is what it looks like. So the front is there, the base, the back, the front of the cross section, and the back of the cross section. Now we will work on this example. From the given measures, study this figure. We will find the total surface area, and we're going to use TSA to denote total surface area. So take a look at the front, base, back. We can make this as one shape, one figure. It is a rectangle. Now the length will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. That is the length, and the width is 14. So TSA 15 inches times 14 inches, that is the whole, no, the whole rectangle, plus the cross section, which is the triangle. What is the area of a triangle? Remember that? 1/2 times base times height. So what is the base? 5 inches. What is the height? 4.3 inches. So we will write that 1/2 times 5 inches times 4.3 inches times 2. What is this 2? There are two triangles, no? There are two triangles, so we multiply by 2. Okay, calculate all these things. So 15 inches times 14 inches is 210 square inches, plus 1/2 times 5 inches times 4.3 inches times 2. That will give us 21.5 inches. Now we add. We have the answer, 231.5 square inches. Volume of a prism. It is the amount of space it occupies. The capacity of a container is the volume of liquid it can hold. So this one, study this figure. So in units, 5 units, you see 3 units, 4 units. So that is how we understand volume, amount of space it occupies. So the other figure, it shows the volume of water in a container. Yes. Let us now find the volume of this prism. Volume is equal to V. So we are going to use V to denote volume. So how to find the volume? The volume is equal to length times width times height. We also have area of the cross section times the length. So in this figure, we are going to use area of the cross section times length. Okay, so 1/2 times 5 inches times 4.3 inches. So what is this? What area is this? Area of the cross section. No? Area of the cross section times the length. What is the length? 4 inches. Okay, 4 inches. We multiply by 4 inches. Now, calculate all these things. Your answer must be 150.5 cubic inches. Okay, note that cm cube reads as cubic centimeters. Of course, in our example, we use inches. So we read it as cubic inches. Have you understood? Did you understand? Okay, good. You're doing good. Okay, next. Find the TSA and volume of the given rectangular prism. I am going to give you not more than 5 minutes to solve this problem. Okay?
Notice me, take my hand. Why are we strangers when our love is strong? Why carry on without me? Every time I try to fly, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. I guess I need you, baby. And every time I see you in my dreams, I see your face. It's haunting me. I guess I need you, baby. soon your face will fade away. And every time I try to fly, I fall without my wings. I feel so small. I guess I need you, baby. And every time I see you in my dreams, I see your face. You're haunting me. I guess I need you, baby.
Okay, welcome back. Let us see whether your answers are correct or wrong. First, find the TSA. TSA is equal to 14 inches times 10 inches plus 4 inches times 3 inches times 2. So 14 inches times 10 inches, how did I do this? Where did I find 14? Or where did I get 14? So look at the side part. I add up all the sides there. 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 14. And then multiply by 10, which is the length. Okay. 4 inches times 3. So look at the side again. 4 times 3 times 2. Where did I get 2? Of course, there are two the same shape there, the same measure. Okay, so calculate this. 14 inches times 10, which is 140 square inches, and then we add 24 square inches, and 140 square inches plus 24 square inches, we get 164 square inches. Did you get it right? Okay, very good. Next, the volume. How to find the volume? Here I use the length times width times height. 4 inches times 3 inches times 10. Okay. Multiply all these things. Our answer must be 120 cubic inches. Did you get it right? Okay, very good. Okay, moving on. This one is a word problem. Find the volume of water contained in a rectangular fish tank 1 meter long, 75 centimeters wide, and 50 centimeters deep. If the water level is 5 centimeters from the rim of the tank, give your answer in cubic centimeters. Now, I am going to give you not over 15 minutes to solve this problem. Okay, your time starts now.
There is no height or depth, neither life nor death can take me from all that I find here now in your glory, Lord. No other powers or love, the things are what to come. There's nothing on earth in this life that could ever separate us, Lord. Your love is never ending. To your hands we surrender. Where all our sins are washed away. Your grace beyond reason has paid for our freedom. We're made alive in you. We run to your throne where we belong. Every heart will sing that Jesus is Lord, casting all else aside for the joy of our Christ. Let your glory unfold. Our hearts are filled with your fire. No other powers or love, the things of now or to come. There's nothing on earth in this life that could ever separate us, Lord. Your love is never ending. To your hands we surrender. Where all our sins are washed away. Your grace beats has paid for our freedom. We're made alive in you. We run to your throne where we belong. Every heart will sing that Jesus is Lord, casting all else aside for the joy of our Christ. Let your glory unfold. Our hearts are filled with your fire. There is none like you. Your love is never ending. To your hands we surrender. Where all our sins are washed away. Your grace beyond reason has paid for our freedom. We're made alive in you. We run to your throne where we belong. Every heart will sing that Jesus is Lord, casting all else aside for spirit, your word, your truth. Hear my cry, my deep desire to know you more. In your name, I will lift my hands to the King. This anthem of praise I bring, heaven knows I long to love you with all I am. In your name, I will lift my hands to the King. This anthem of praise I bring, heaven knows I long to love you with all I am. I belong to
Okay. Welcome back. So again, the problem is that find the volume of water contained in a rectangular fish tank 1 meter long, 75 centimeters wide, and 50 centimeters deep. If the water level is 5 centimeters from the rim of the tank, give your answer in cubic centimeters. Okay, so first of all, we're going to show the figure. We're going to show a rectangular fish tank there. So, uh, fish tank 1 meter long. So 1 meter long, we will convert that into centimeters because we're going to answer in cubic centimeters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay. Next, 75 centimeters wide. Okay, the width, the width. Now 75 centimeters. Okay, so how tall is the fish tank? How tall is the fish tank? It is 50 centimeters. There. How about the water level? No? The water level is 5 centimeters from the rim of the tank. From the rim, the top. Okay, so start from the top to the water level is 5 centimeters. Okay, so there, 5 centimeters. Of course, the height of the water is 45 centimeters. 50 minus 5 is 45 centimeters. Okay, so to find the volume, you will just multiply length, the width, and the height. Okay, so there we go. Volume is equal to length times width times height. So what is the length? 100 centimeters. Width 75 centimeters, and the height is 45 centimeters. There you go. And multiply them all together. What is your answer? Your answer must be 337,500 cubic centimeters. Okay, did you get it right? Wow, excellent. Okay, That's all for this. See you in the next video. Goodbye.